Hey all. I have a couple of boxes to unbox from Avon. I got them last year, but it's been so hectic. Moving stuff around. As you can see, I'm not in my old flat anymore. I moved last year. But I have two boxes that I have not unboxed yet. So I'm going to unbox now. So I'm going to do two separate videos. So it'll be the first one, and I'll do the second box in another video. Hi all. So this is the first box that I got. This was actually an incentive that I got for last summer. And it's this one. And I haven't looked in it yet. So yeah, this is like first time I've actually looked in here. So we have a lip oil. I'll show you them all in a minute. We have another lip oil. We have a lipstick, which is pink tulip, which is that colour. I've been wanting these for ages. It's the all-in-one nail polish base coat, which I've been wanting for a while. I haven't got around to get one, so I now have one. Eyeshadow primer, which I bought the other day. The glimmer stick eyeliner. And a lipstick in Truest Red, which looks really nice. So that's in that box. So let's open these and see what they look like. So this is light beige for the eyeshadow primer. And it's so cute. New product for me to try, I haven't tried yet. This one is the Shimmering Petal Lip Oil. Ooh, look at that pink. Sparkly. This one is Blossom Lip Oil. Is it see clear pink? This colour is brown for the glimmer stick. Which I have one of these. It's just a dark brown. I have loads of these. I love them all. They're my favourite. And I have this colour. I don't know what the colour of this one is actually. It doesn't say. I think I only got this colour in this one. And it's this one. So that's the first box. I won't open the lipsticks because I've got loads of others to try already. So that's the first box, and I will come off here now, and I will do the second box. Bye.